rather than going to a broker, which is the easy way of doing it, but you're using somebody else, but who's working on behalf of the seller of the business, so not you, they're working against your interests. Nothing wrong with that, by the way, it's not morally wrong, but they aren't hired by you. Why should they work in your interests? Instead of which, don't be lazy and cheapskate. I would go and hire somebody who does work in your interest to generate the leads, do the hard work, and then buy at a price that makes sense. So I'm not talking about ridiculous prices, but if somebody's selling a titchy little business for $100,000 or something, let's say it's doing 50,000 a year in profit, you shouldn't be paying 4 times EBITDA for that business. That would be ridiculous. But there's plenty of businesses listed like that on Flipper or Empire Builders, and that's just silly, in my opinion. So if you pay 2 times EBITDA for that, they could be lucky to be getting that. That sort of business is quasi unsellable. But if you can buy it and you've got a plan to grow it and sell it again for, grow the EBITDA to 200,000 and sell it for 3 times that in 600 grand in 3 to 5 years time, it's been a win, I truly believe, for both sides, because tiny businesses are very unstable things and can go pop quite quickly. And therefore, business owners should be sensible about the fact if you can sell them at all, they're doing really well. But equally, if you have a really good system and process and growth plan, you know what you're doing and you know how to sell a business at the other end of the process, you can also make out really well. So always go for win-win. I would never try and behave dishonorably. Don't go back on your word, all that sort of thing. I don't think it helps your reputation as a business person. And don't be mean. But I think there's a difference between being mean and simply paying more than the economics and common sense tell you should. And so I guess that's where I start off with my thinking around valuation, and the way you originate deals makes a huge difference to the sort of expectations of value that the seller has. Hence really why it splits into 2 bits, the easy and expensive route, which is brokers, and the hard route of doing the deal origination yourself.